From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong, that I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go! Feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be, and maybe it's a good thing. Got a good thing coming, it's a good thing that we're not who we used to be. Sometimes I'm a loner. I wish that you lived closer. Maybe then I feel alright. Sometimes I get strung out trying to be myself. When you come close, I feel alive. Maybe that's a good thing.
Just finished with our river cruise and we really enjoyed it. I hope you all enjoyed my video as well. And we are here in the Wrigley's building. Yeah, and it's really nice to have a picture here, guys. So I hope you all are enjoying so far today. And after this we are going to the Millennium Park. So I will show you the building. All again later, and we are just gonna go walk to the Millennium Park, and it will take us about 4 minutes walking. Hi everyone, we are here in the Millennium Park, and unfortunately the bean is under construction, so we cannot have a picture. Yeah, the bean is there. The bin right there is, it's closed, under construction. Hey guys, we are here in the car. We are in the Uber, and we are going to Bacolod Chicken House. Bacolod Chicken House here in Chicago. Yeah, so we're gonna try some chicken inasal or chicken barbecue. And we are excited and hungry at the same time. Hey guys, unfortunately the Bacolod Chicken House is closed for today, so we are here in Chinatown.
Do teriyaki ice cream mo.
Here in Chinatown, Chicago, guys.
I see the way we're going, caught in another lonely night. Now I'm mad for no good reason. You should be right here by my side. Now we're only oceans away. You hit the bed while I wake up. Now I count the seconds away. Days away. Here we go again. I'm somebody that I don't understand, and I just wanna know how you get up and fight it. All of this resentment for every missing moment.
Pork bun.
Hi, my name is Mood Shifter.
Joy.
Tumingin siya, pagkala sa tumingin lang.
Uy, yung. Sige, kita mo na. Hindi ka mapakuot, gani. Okay, Legend Tasty House. We are gonna get some ice cream here, guys. With GP and Eureka. GP and Eureka. Agay. Dayo. Pangastig ko sa. Sit down. Sa park na lang. Sa park.
Sa park na lang?
Oh, hambal na na.
Oh, this is
We ordered mango tango and
mango.
mango strawberry.
Yeah.
Really good and looks
And
good.
It's really an ice cream that is rolled, and then it's just like a, what do you call this? Yung ano. It's just ice cream. But it's ice cream. Yeah, it's just like a lumpia wrapper that is rolled, but that's ice cream.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we can't wait to eat it. Let's eat. Okay. Let's eat. You like it?
Yeah.
So good. Mango.
So sweet.
The birthday boy.
Yeah.
This is our birthday boy. Our birthday boy father, a friend.
Not sweet.
No, it's not sweet. It's not too sweet.
Kapag hearty.